High Court sitting in Lagos has dismissed the fundamental rights suit instituted against the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission by Idris Okoye, popularly known as Bobrisky. Bobrisky had filed the suit seeking 200 million naira from the EFCC for psychotic trauma and demanded 1 billion naira from the National Assembly for the violation of his right to a fair hearing. Bobrisky also urged the court to prohibit the EFCC and the National Assembly from harassing, detaining, or declaring him wanted. He has been embroiled in controversy since social media influencer Martins Otse leaked an audio recording in which the crossdresser purportedly alleged that he bribed EFCC with 15 million naira to drop money laundering charges against him. However, the crossdresser denied the authenticity of the recording and threatened legal action against Otse. Despite his denial, he was invited by the EFCC but failed to honor the commission's invitation. NaijaNews reported on the 1st of November 2024 that the EFCC at Lagos Muritala International Airport removed Bobrisky from an Amsterdam-bound KLM flight. Delivering judgment on the matter, Justice Alexander Oweye on November 28, 2024, held that Bobrisky's claims of abuse of his rights lacked merit with no credible evidence to justify the reliefs he sought from the court. The EFCC head of media and publicity, Dele Oyewale, in a statement on Friday quoted Justice Oweye as saying, "Having evaluated the evidence placed before this court by the applicant, it is evident that the applicant has failed to provide credible evidence to justify the award of the declaratory and injunctive relief sought by him. I hold the claim of violation of fundamental rights against the first and second respondents were not made out of the affidavit evidence placed before this court. The claim of the applicant against the first to the second respondent hereby lacks merit and is liable to be dismissed. It is accordingly dismissed." Oyewale also said the judge refused to award any damage against the EFCC. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more reliable updates and exclusive videos.